Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x800f020b, then please look at the steps below. The first one is we troubleshoot the Windows Update. So what we can do is we right click on the start button, look for settings, click settings, then click on system, look for troubleshoot, click troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and we run the Windows Update troubleshooter. This should mostly clear the problem. Now, if that doesn't work, then we will use the system cleanup. So how do we do that? So we type disk cleanup. We look for disk cleanup. We open it. And we click on cleanup system files. So now you can see it is cleaning up Windows Update also. So this should resolve the problem, and you can reinstall the updates, and the computer should start working without the error problem. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.